people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day in today's video. I am so excited to bring you my first impressions ever trying Lethal Cosmetics. Now they're not sponsoring today's video, they don't even know I'm making a video, but they did send me a couple things as PR and I wanted to film with it, so that's what I did today. I wanted to try out a bunch of their stuff. So we have an eyeshadow palette, 3 highlighters, as well as 3 liquid lipsticks, and I'm forever grateful because I've been wanting to try this brand for a long time, which is I guess why I'm making a video about it. But anyways, we're going to test out some stuff today without any further ado. Let's go ahead and get to today's video. Alright, hello, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what I have to work with first. So I have 3 liquid lipsticks here. These colors are calling my name. We also have 3 highlighters as well as an eyeshadow palette. I've been gagging, dying, living over this palette on Instagram ever since it got announced, and I cannot believe it's here, and it's very beautiful in person. So this is the palette we're putting on our eyes today. Oh my gosh, first of all, the little indentions on everything, the logo is so cute. Look how cute. I do hope they perform nicely, because they don't perform nicely, it doesn't really do it, you know, it's not really worth it, but it's a beautiful palette. The other things we have are some highlighters. So this is the shade Iconic. Very pretty. We also have Scatter, which is like a kind of a purpley tone, and then we also have Isotope, which is more of the gold. So I'm very excited about those because I love a good highlighter, and these are all really light highlighters that'll probably work on my skin tone pretty well. Next up we have 3 liquid lipsticks. Look at this. That's my color, you guys. You know, you already know. So the first one is Unforgiven. This packaging though, everything, that's so cute. This is Unforgiven. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Oh, it's a beautiful purpley pinky mauve. Oh, that's my color. That's my color. I don't know if we're gonna wear this one day because it doesn't go with the eye look I'm thinking about doing. The next one we have is Anamia. I don't know how to say that word. Put the word on the screen for you. And this is, ooh, this is kind of like Jeffree Star's Gemini kind of color, but a little bit more orange. It's so pretty. That one, oh my gosh. Okay. And then the other one we have here is Rapture, which is a more like a reddy brown kind of color. The box looks more brown. The tube and on my hand it looks more red. Ooh, it's very like deep vampy. Okay, all 3 of these have like a moment for me. These are the 3 colors that I'm not scared of wearing. There's a lot of colors I avoid on my lips. Honestly, I'm comfortable with all 3 of these. Okay, so other than me just staring at them, that's what we have to work with. Let's go ahead and get started with our eyeshadow look because my eyelids are primed and I'm not trying to get them to crease. Alright, so in the palettes, my eyelids are primed. They're not set or anything. See, I love green, but I also love yellow. And there's both in here. But I also really like this kind of bricky red color. Then the blue shimmer too. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Let's do a green look because this like army olive green color is calling my name. So actually, let me take this brush. Let me take the E38 brush, which is in my Sigma brush set. I'm gonna dip it into this shade right here, because green, honestly, just because green. And I'm just gonna buff that all over our crease. Alright, so then we have the green over the crease. I will blend underneath the brow with like a light cream or white shadow at the end after like we're all done. But overall, pretty consistent, and the green is very true to color on the pan. Sometimes when you do greens, they either come off really bright or really gray. This one actually stays true to color, which is awesome. There's barely any kickback in the pan, honestly. It was really nice. So what I want to do now is I'm gonna, I mean, that could make it go really wrong, but am I scared of it? Not really. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's kind of like a blue gray kind of color, and I'm just gonna tuck that in the outer little piece right here. That's not a terrible color combination. Just gonna puff it. I'm just gonna tuck it right here and blend it a little bit. I don't want it all over the crease. I just want this little outer portion just for a little bit of depth so it's not just a solid green crease. This shade is so pigmented. Like I barely touched it in the pan. Very pigmented shadow. Alright, now for the lid, I'm going to take a little flat dry brush. We'll use our finger if we have to. I'm going to dip into the green. It looks kind of blue on camera, but I guess it is kind of like a blue-green. It's kind of both. And I'm going to put this on the lid. I'll do this eye with the little flat dry brush. This is a Sigma E58, and I'll do the other one with my finger. This is the side with the brush. It's really beautiful. And this is the side with the finger. They both look really nice. Maybe if I swipe over this with my finger, it makes it a little brighter. Both look really good. And if you use a wet brush as well, it would look really nice. I'm going to go back into our blending brush, back into this little ivy green color, and just moosh the shimmer into the matte crease color. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take that same color we did before and a little bit of this on the outer corner just to try out both shades. Alright, so this is our messy eye look. That shimmer is amazing. And a lot of you guys make fun of my messy eye looks, but once I do the mascara and like the little bit of glitter in the inner corner and I finish it up, like it looks pretty decent at the end always. So this is our little look. Let's go ahead and put on some mascara lashes and I'll be right back so we can try out the other products. Alright guys, so this is the finished eye look anyways. Oh, that shimmer on the lid, are you kidding me? It is so beautiful. It looks blue and then sometimes it looks green. It's just so pretty. Like, that's the most beautiful shimmer ever. And actually the crease green is holding up really well. Even though I did go over it with like a taupey, like a light champagne-y shade to like blend underneath the eyebrow. It's still holding in there really good. It's so cute. And also like the little bit of darkness on the outer corner too. But the lid shimmer shade, stunning. Stunning. And these are the Rouge and Rouge lashes in Electra. Alright, so let's move on to highlighter now. I am thinking that none of these lipsticks are going to match this eye look, but I don't care because they're beautiful colors. For the highlighter, I'm going to use two different colors. So I'm going to not use the pink one. I'm going to use the champagne-y one and then the more gold one. So these are the two we're going to use today. I'm going to do the champagne-y side on this side and the gold side on this side. So I'm going to use my FO3 brush from Sigma as always. This is the shade Iconic. It's really pretty. And I like the little indentions in the pan too. So, oh, I do have like a little bit of like a glow right there. Well, on this side anyways. This has highlighter on it now, but I did have like a little bit of a glow there just because I didn't set my face super well. But let's try the highlighter. Oh, look how pretty. So that's what it naturally looks like with a little bit like a glow, right? But I know some people are like, why'd you put it in so far? Because I want to look dewy as crap. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Huh? It's magical. Alright. I'm really into it. This next shade is Eyeshadow, which is the gold one. I'm just gonna use the same brush. Why not? And let's do this side. Ooh, it's a beautiful gold. Can we even see that yet? Under the eyebrow a little bit. You can clearly tell I'm wearing two different highlighters. This one's so much more pink, this one's so much more gold. But overall, wow, this one kind of like pops a little bit more, honestly. Okay. Might be a little bit much highlighter. I want a little carried away, but I don't care. Because you know it was for a video, it's fine. I do have places to go, but I don't care. So this is the first one, which is Iconic. Well, I guess I should open it for you. That's that one. So pretty. And this is Eyeshadow, which is the gold. It makes my skin look glassy. It's so smooth. Like, honestly, let me get up close. We can focus. It doesn't show too much of my texture, honestly. Like, okay, so I got the Smashbox, like, primer oil thing. Jaclyn Hill in her, like, foundation video, like, how do you save dry skin. Said you put it on top with, like, a damp sponge and it really melts it into your skin. That crap works. Okay? Don't do it underneath your eyeballs. Like, your under eyes, if you use a certain concealer, like, use Shape Tape like me or anything, like, any kind of thick concealer, it'll break up your under eye concealer. But if you just do it on foundation really lightly, like, and on your highlighter area, it works great. Anywhere on the face to skip the under eyes, it works good. Good idea. Anyways, let's move on to liquid lipsticks now. I don't know which one I want to use because none of these are going to match the eye look. I guess we'll do the pink because it's a mauve and I die for mauves. Again, this is the shade Unforgiven. And let's put it on. Nice doe foot applicator. No strong fragrance. Okay, so this is the liquid lipstick color Unforgiven. It's so cute. Ooh, it's already drying down. It's like almost dry already. Very matte. Very comfortable liquid lipstick. Honestly though, this lip does not match everything else I have going on, but I don't hate it together and I don't hate it enough to change it. My hair is a wreck. What's up with that? Anyways, you guys. Wow, it's just this green on the eyes is like killing me. The dewy highlighter looks so freaking good. Like, looks so pretty. And then liquid lipstick, really comfortable. Like, this is a really comfortable liquid lipstick formula. Yeah, super, super comfortable. My hair is a wreck, but you know, what else is new? Anyways, you guys, let's talk about everything. It's all great, honestly. I was thinking maybe because I haven't tried this brand before, maybe one or two things that maybe I wasn't 100% enthused about, but honestly, these are so good quality. Like, oh my gosh, the eyeshadow looks stunning. The mattes are really easy to work with too. Just so good. The shimmer though, the shimmer is so beautiful. The lipstick formula, really comfortable. Like, it really doesn't feel like I'm wearing lipstick at all. It's very lightweight and really opaque as well. And also, these colors are everything. I need to get a brown one from them. Like a nice brown liquid lipstick. Like, I've been wearing a lot of brown, like, kind of liquid lipstick shades. I'm gonna buy one from them as well because I need one to match. And then the highlighter was just so, I mean, the highlighter speaks for itself. It's so beautiful. And the gold isn't like standoffish gold on my skin. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave their website linked down below. I'm gonna keep wearing everything in this video because it's honestly just so good. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.